nice.
English.
Nice, nice.
Last year's English.
Okay, there you are. I'm ready. I'm ready for real this time.
Let's go, let's go. We're not gonna crash or anything.
Hopefully. You can't be too sure.
Can't be.
COD WA is a tricky game.
Oh.
Okay, thank God.
Are you in?
Yes, I am.
Alright, you're gonna shoot those little scary guys.
Dude, I don't know if I want to. What did that do?
It opened this door.
Ooh. Dude, I'm already. This is already getting tricky.
See, this map's really scary.
It's raining.
Jug is in here, and I have no idea how to fucking get in here.
I think you should buy the door.
Because the round doesn't fucking start until you fall down here.
Ben, you go down there. Oh! You feel so weirdly. Alright, I guess I have to go down here.
I think.
Oh! So, can you not get back up there?
I don't know.
Maybe you gotta find your way over there. Can you dive on this one? Oh, you can! Oh no, Ben! I dove right into one. Dude, this kid.
Dude, how did you do that? That was amazing.
Dude, watch this. He doesn't even know I'm here. Is that red the, mystery?
It's a mystery box. Hey, Connor, look at me.
Dude.
No, you gotta spin.
Alright. It wouldn't let me.
It lets.
Oh, forgot we were round 2. Oh my god, I suck.
They're already really scary and hard.
Ooh.
Max ammo.
Dink, dink.
Just like CSGO.
So, I'm pretty pro at this game. Knocked down on, like, round 2? Round 1? No, round 2, yeah.
Shh.
Oh god, what just happened?
I accidentally, went outside the window.
Ben, you're KSing. Oh!
Watch this. I call this the nade throw.
The nade throw. I'm watching.
Oh!
Wow, nice. So, can we go to the next area now? Or...
Yeah, you gotta buy this door.
And then...
You gotta buy those garbage cans.
Why can't I just push them all the way?
I know. Oh,
What is this?
here.
Ben...
It's a soul thing. There's an M16 right here.
There's only one left.
No, don't.
Oh, wow.
He doesn't have a butt.
Ben, I could see his rope. Wow.
He's giving birth.
Did I hit him 4 times?
Connor, let them closer.
No, I need the points, Ben. I need them all. Oh, what is that? Infinite ammo?
Yeah.
Oh. Oh my. Ben, help. I'm down already. Very fast.
That was too freaking close.
Wait, what does that do?
It makes Pack-a-Punch only cost $1,000.
Wow. What is that?
Help.
Ben, I'm gonna try my darndest, but you know, oh god.
Stop trying to knife him.
Ben, I need the oh no. Get up, bro.
You got this, you got this.
Good as new.
Uh,
That was too freaking close.
did you see that, dude? We did it.
Ooh.
This is a cool looking gun. I really like the curvature of it.
So wait, do we still have to kill him close to this or something?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, my bad. No, no,
What
please.
happened?
I don't know what just happened. Ben,
Get him.
I need that insta kill. Oh no! Oh god.
Get me, I got you. Get me, I got you.
Hungry? Good as new. Go to hell.
That was a close one.
Double points. Connor, open this door. You got all of the moolah.
I know, right?
And then over here. And then this one. And now we're at the box.
The box looks pretty weird.
This'll tear him
What the
apart.
fuck?
Oh. Ben. They're coming. What is this?
It's a Remington
Ooh.
new model army.
I'm not complaining. Collateral. Got him. Ben, let him get inside so we can get this thing.
Oh yeah, okay. My bad.
Oh, there's quite a bit coming up.
You picked on the wrong Marine.
Jesus, how many more do we need?
This guy sounds scary.
He does. This pistol's pretty good. Oh, nice.
Do you know what this is?
What?
It's the scavenger.
Scavenger?
Yeah.
Wow.
Watch, I'll show you what it does.
Oh no, I didn't see him there. Oh, Ben, you might want to run. Very fast. What is that? Ben, what is that?
It's the boss, it's the boss, it's the boss, it's the boss.
Ben, I didn't know there was going to be a boss. Ben, Ben, he's trapping me. Ben, Ben, Ben. I'm done. I'm done. Don't die, Ben, please. I got you. Okay.
Dude, nice revolver.
Thanks. It's pretty good.
Oh.
Okay, I need a new gun, so. Seriously, that thing needs so much. Come on, come on. What is this? Is this a joke?
Yeah, it's the teddy bear.
Is this a joke?
It's gone.
Ben, was that a joke?
Sad. You wanna go down the pack-a-punch?
This is a joke.
This place gives me the heeber-jeebers.
Ben, I think we're gonna die here.
Nah, dude. We can camp here for days.
Oh! Oh! I need that max ammo! I mean invincibility. It's like the same thing, right?
Oh,
Ben, no! You didn't even get the invincibility!
I know. I was trying to get it.
It's okay, this gun's pretty OP.
Oh, infinite ammo. Infinite ammo.
Cover me, Ben.
I owe you one.
I'm reloading.
Oh! Ben? I guess instant kill does not apply to him. Pack-a-punch. Ben?
Yeah.
It's not working.
Because the power's not on.
Why did we go here?
I felt like it.
How do we get the power on?
I don't know.
Oh my...
Oh wait, yeah I do. Yeah I do. Follow me.
Ben, I need the power.
Me too. Oh wait, it's in here. I'm gonna go over here.
Oh.
And it's in here. Oh, the box is in here too.
Ben, I'm gonna try to make it to you. You got the power on?
Yeah, power.
Alright, after this round, if we survive this round, can we go get Pack-a-Punch?
Yeah, we can.
Cause, oh no! Kinda got the money, you know? Ben, I'm gonna run for it. Never mind. Never mind. I'm not going for it.
I'm stuck on a wall.
Thank God we got that. Right, I'm going for it, Ben. Let's go.
I'm stuck.
We're stuck on each other. Oh no! Of course. Ben, distracted. Oh!
Oh, he's angry. He's angry.
Ben, can you cover me while I Pack-a-Punch? And then I'll cover you. Actually, I should make it before they even get to us. Oh, Ben. He's going for you. It's alright. Oh, dude, this is kind of cool Pack-a-Punch.
Cover me.
Oh, I have max ammo.
I got the dissenter.
Defect resolution.
Yeah, I did.
What? That's my gun.
Yeah, I had to.
Oh my God. Ben. Oh, hurry, hurry.
That was too freaking close.
What just happened to him?
I blew him up.
Oh. He like just disappeared.
I know. Let's go get Jug.